Hey everyone, today I'm solving the problem move zeros. So let's understand the problem clearly first. We are given an integer array nums. We need to move all the zeros to the end of the array and we must maintain the relative order of non-zero elements. We must do this in place, meaning we cannot create another array. So basically all non-zero elements should stay in the same order and all zeros should shift to the end. For example, this 0, 1, 0, 3, 12 should become 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. The straightforward approach would be to create a temporary array. First, I'll collect all the non-zero element in a temporary array. Then I copy them back to the original array. So here I collected all the non-zero elements in the temporary array. Then I copy them back to the original array. And finally, I will fill the remaining position with zeros. This works, but this uses extra space. Here the time complexity is n, since we iterate a few times. But space complexity is n because we are using an extra array, temporary array. The problem specifically asks us to do it in place. So we need a better approach. So let's think differently. Instead of creating a new array, we can rearrange the element inside the same array. So the idea is to keep track of the position where the next non-zero element should go. Basically, here we can use two pointers. So I will use j to track the index of first zero. First, I find the index of first zero. There's no need to swap before we encounter a zero. Now, I iterate from the element after the first zero. So, whenever I find a non-zero element, I swap it with the element at index j. Then I increment j. So, effectively, we are pushing the zeros to the right and bringing the non-zero element forward. So, we are iterating through the array at most twice. So, the time complexity is n, and we are not using any extra data structure. So, the space complexity is 1.